Alright, all you Toolbox Boombox fans out there, I'm gonna do a test here where I'm gonna find out how long my Toolbox Boombox will run on its 12 volt 11 amp per hour battery. Now you see I have the online stopwatch program which I'm gonna run. I'm gonna start it up here in just a minute. I'm gonna set my camera to do a time-lapse mode where it's going to take a still picture every either 5 or 10 seconds. I'm not sure yet, I haven't configured it. So I've got the Athena bookshelf speaker and Optimus Pro 7 AV bookshelf speakers wired in parallel. See, this wire goes to this one, and then this one comes down and goes into the back of my boombox. Same thing on both sides. So I've got an optimal 4 ohm load. The satellite speakers here are wired to the rear channels of the Alpine Head Unit, and the MB cords, which are mounted in the toolbox, are mounted to, I should say, are attached to the front channels. So that should give me 4 ohms for the front channels and 4 ohms for the rear channels. And although my wife is probably not going to approve because of the noise, I don't have any resistors. I'm going to use music for my test, and we'll find out how long it'll run. So stay in tune, keep watching. This is some exciting stuff. Alright folks, got everything set up on the tripod here, getting ready to start up. I'm going to try to get it as close as I can to starting it up right when I turn on the box, and then after that I'm going to switch to the time-lapse mode so you won't hear anything anymore. Maybe my cool music in the background. So let's see if we can get it started up here.
Over my head, there's one lonely pillow on my. Double bed. Yeah, I've got.
Okay folks, as you may see here, the voltage has dropped to 10.06 after 3 hours and 56 minutes. I stopped the timer because the radio's cut off and on a couple times. I don't want it to go completely, absolutely dead, so I'm going to shut it down. So it gives you an idea. 4 hours is the total time powering 2 sets of 4 ohm speakers, which actually 2 8 ohm speakers here, 2 8 ohm speakers there, and 2 4 ohm speakers in the box. There you go. There's my test. Unbelievable. 4 hours. Thanks for watching.